do a little something different today because we've been doing a lot of soap videos. So today we're going to do one of our massage candles. This is going to be our lavender candle. All of our candles are pure soy, and they double as a massage candle. So when the oil is melted, the wax is melted, you can actually use it as a massage oil for yourself or your partner. So I'm just going to go over the ingredients I have. I have some wax here. I have shea butter right here. This is some cocoa butter. And this is our avocado oil. And then once I melt all of these, I will also be adding some vitamin E. And then we're going to add some lavender essential oil to top everything off. So I'm going to go ahead and get this melted so we don't waste any time. And then I will be right back to show you how I put this wonderful candle together. So we'll be right back. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pampered Soaps. I have completely melted the oils. So my cocoa butter, my shea butter, and my vitamin E, as well as my essential oils have all been mixed into my wax. So you can see that there, it's just all melted up. Okay. I have my container here for my candle. I have the wick already in there, and I also have my warning label on the bottom. So it's just ready to pour. I'm going to check the temperature. I like to make sure the temperature is at 110. It is exactly 110 right now. So that's the way I do it. Again, you guys, our channel is very new, so if you like what you see, the how-to videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're here every Saturday with a how-to video on herbal medicine, candles, soaps. So we appreciate the support. All right. You can also find us on social media and pamperedsoaps.com. I'm going to go ahead and make sure you can see that here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and pour this. It smells just like lavender. Beautiful. Okay. And I will actually do another one here shortly. But I'm going to let that one sit for now. And we will come back when it is completely finished to show you what it looks like. So until it's finished, we'll come back in about probably about 6 to 8 hours, depending on, it's pretty hot here right now in California, so depending on how quick it settles and gets solid, we'll come back and we'll do a shot of it completely finished, and you can see what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, until next Saturday, be blessed.